welcome to the checkout guide. Many Shopify store lost profit because customers get very high discount on large orders. For example, a 10% discount on a big cart value can become a huge loss for the store. So in this video, I'll show you how to control discount value in Shopify using the next discount app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, go to the Shopify admin dashboard. Then here in app section, click on next discount app. Then here click on create new discount. Here we can see the discount type. Here I choose discount code. So give a code. Here I give flat 10. Then the discount value as percentage. Give 10%. Then this is the important part, that is capping amount. The capping amount controls the maximum discount customer can receive. So even if the discount percentage become very high, it will stop the value that we given. Here I give $100. So it will stop up to above $100. It will stop the offer that applied. So this is very important part. Then here the discount applies for all product. The discount message, it is for automatic discount. Then here no minimum purchase requirement. Then the eligibility for all customer. Then maximum discount uses, here I limit to 1 use per customer. Then the offer start from this date and we have to set the end date. So here I set to this. Next, this product discount can be combined with, here I choose all. So it will appear on this section. So that's it. Click on save. Now it has been saved. Now we can go to the store. So that click on view store. Then here, this is our store. Here we can select any product. Then here the dollar is 500. So here I add the quantity up to 4 quantity I added, so that it will be total amount will be 2000. Click on add to cart. We can check. Now we can apply the discount code here. Then click on apply. Actually for 10% it will be save $200, but here we can see it only save $100 because we added the capping amount. Here we set the capping amount to 100. Above 100 it will be not applied the offer. So here we can save only $100. So this is how we can reduce the huge amount of discount offers. So that's how you can control discount value in Shopify using the next discount app and avoid huge discount losses. So follow for more Shopify tips and tutorial. So if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.